We all know that feeling. Someone's trying to push you into doing something, and you just want to dig your heels in and resist. Maybe it's a pushy salesperson that just won't take no for an answer. Or that one friend who's way too insistent about getting you to try their new favorite restaurant. It's totally normal to push back when we feel our freedom's being taken away. But what if there is a way to encourage people to take a specific action without making them feel like they're being cornered? That's where the but you are free, or BYAF, technique comes in. It's a little trick that can actually make people more likely to do what you want, and it leaves everyone feeling good about the experience too. So what is this BYAF thing anyways? It's super simple, but it packs a punch. Basically, you just add a phrase like, but you are free to choose, or but the decision is entirely yours, to your requests or call to action. It's a tiny tweak, but it can make a huge difference in how people react. This works because it taps into two key psychological principles. One, autonomy. We all like to feel in control of our own choices. The BYAF technique basically says, hey, I'm making a suggestion, but ultimately it's your call. This makes people feel respected and empowered, which makes them way more open to what you're saying. And two, reactance. Ever feel like doing the opposite of what someone tells you to do just because they told you to do it? That's called reactance. The BYAF technique avoids triggering this by emphasizing that the choice is theirs. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine someone's like, you have to buy this product. You'd probably be like, nope, not gonna happen. But if they said, you can totally buy this product if you want, but the choice is entirely yours, you might actually consider it. It just feels less pushy and more respectful. Now here's the cool part. This simple phrase works like magic in marketing too. It changes how people see their freedom. By reminding them that they have a choice, you take the pressure off. This makes them more open to your message because they don't feel like they're being cornered. It creates a positive vibe too. The BYAF technique shows that you value your audience's independence, which builds their goodwill and earns their trust. And the best part? It can actually boost your sales. Studies have shown that adding the BYAF phrase can make people way more likely to say yes to your requests, leading to more sales and online engagement. So let's see how some big brands use the BYAF technique. Netflix. Okay, hang on a second. Just jumping in real quick to tell you to stick around until the end of this video if you want to learn how you can get all of the lessons, AI prompts, templates, and software you need to build a business, build a website, funnel, and product, and create a full marketing campaign in less than 30 days. Plus, you can learn how to rewire your brain for success in finances, love, and relationships in just 10 minutes a day. And the best part? You can get access to all of this, including incredible marketing software that's added in as a bonus, for under $100. Yep, you heard that right. Less than $100. Okay, back to the video. So let's see how some big brands use the BYAF technique. Netflix. When prompting you to start a free trial, Netflix might say something like, start your free trial today and see what everyone's talking about. Cancel anytime, no pressure. This reassures potential customers that they're not locked into a commitment, making them more likely to give the trial a shot. Spotify. Spotify's premium trial often uses the BYAF technique in their call to action. They might say, try premium free for 3 months. Enjoy ad-free music, offline listening, and more. Cancel anytime if you're not completely satisfied. This emphasizes the user's freedom to choose, making the offer less intimidating and more appealing. Amazon. Amazon often uses the BYAF technique in their product recommendations. You might see a message like, customers who bought this also bought ... But of course, you're free to browse and choose whatever you like. This gentle nudge suggests related products while still respecting the customer's autonomy to make their own choices. Warby Parker. This online eyeglasses retailer uses the BYAF technique in their home try-on program. They might say, try 5 frames at home for free. Find your perfect pair or simply return them. No obligations. This removes the pressure of making a purchase, encouraging customers to explore their options without feeling pressured. Headspace. The meditation app Headspace uses the BYAF technique to encourage users to continue their practice. They might send a notification saying, feeling stressed? Take a few minutes to meditate and find your calm. But hey, no worries if you need to skip a day. This gentle reminder acknowledges that users have busy lives and might not always be able to meditate, which creates a sense of understanding and flexibility. And lastly, charity water. Even nonprofit organizations can benefit from the BYAF technique. Charity water might include a phrase like, every dollar makes a difference. Donate today and help bring clean water to those in need. But of course, there's no obligation and any support is appreciated. This acknowledges that not everyone is in a position to donate, while still encouraging those who can to contribute. Okay, so now that we know the BYAF technique works, how do you actually use it in a way that feels natural and genuine? Sincerity is key. Your BYAF statement should come from the heart, not sound like a cheesy sales tactic. People can spot a fake a mile away, so make sure your words actually reflect how you feel. Don't overdo it. Don't tack "but you are free" onto every single request, or it'll start to sound like a broken record. Use it strategically, especially when you're asking for something big or when you sense people might be hesitant. And make sure you match your brand's vibe. Adjust the wording to fit your brand's personality. A playful, casual brand might use "feel free to," while a more formal brand might go with "the choice is entirely yours." The "but you are free" technique is a subtle but super powerful way to make your marketing more effective and build better relationships with your audience. By acknowledging their freedom to choose, you're taking the pressure off and making them more likely to say yes to your offers. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.